Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we're going to be taking a look at a parts list which is going to help you get into gaming, and with a few upgrades later down the line you'll be able to play any game you want. So let's get started. So the best thing guys with this parts list is that the total cost is very low, and obviously what we don't want to do basically is buy a graphics card right now, because graphics card prices are really high up, but in the near future it seems like they will go down. So our CPU of choice is the AMD RYZEN 2400G. This is an APU from AMD and it just came out, and it is a very good choice. We've got 4 Ryzen cores, and we obviously have Vega graphics in it, integrated graphics, and later down the line when GPU prices go down you can just upgrade to a discrete graphics card and you'll be able to play any game you want. So our motherboard of choice is the MSI B350M Pro. This is a B350 motherboard, so you will be able to overclock both your processor, your cores, and the integrated graphics, because AMD actually lets you overclock both the graphics and the processor itself. So this is a very good option. Now on the other side, if you don't want to overclock your system, you can stay with a very basic motherboard that is not gonna allow you to overclock. For RAM, this is very basic. We're going with Crucial Ballistic Sports, 8 GB, 1 stick, so we can upgrade to 16 GB later in the future. 66 megahertz. We're obviously gonna overclock them because Ryzen really benefits from higher speed memory. For our storage, this is very basic as well. 1 TB Western Digital Cover Blue hard drive. If you want to have an SSD for your operating system or apps you want to start up quick, you can do that too, but it's totally up to you and your specific budget. For our case, as this is your own choice as well, but we're going as cheap as possible here because we want to keep the budget down. So we have the RaidMax Vortex case. It has a side panel, so that's gonna do the work. And last but not least, we have our power supply, and this is something you really don't want to cheap out. You should always make sure to buy something from a reputable brand, and this is one from EVGA with an 80+ bronze certification, so it is going to do the job really well, and it also comes with black flat cables, so that's gonna be perfect for a system. So this is it guys for the system, and it comes in a total of $395, just a tiny bit lower than our budget, which is perfect. Keep in mind guys that the prices will fluctuate, and you can always swap some parts in order to keep yourself within the budget. And also if you pick a B350 motherboard, you will have to make sure that the retailer has actually upgraded the BIOS, or the BIOS is upgraded, so you won't have any problems there. So guys, you'll find in the description, you'll find the link for this parts list if you want to check it out for yourself. And yeah, this is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to click the like button below and subscribe to my channel, and I'll hopefully see you guys all in the next one.
You just wanna keep this pain, just slow down.